In the northeastern waters of Vietnam, where the sky kisses the Emerald Sea, lies a mystical realm carved by time and legend. This is Halong Bay, a UNESCO World Heritage Site and one of the new 7 natural wonders of the world. Over 1,600 limestone islands rise like ancient dragons from the jade-green waters, each one sculpted by nature, shrouded in mystery, and echoing with stories passed down through generations. Locals whisper of the descending dragon who protected these lands, leaving behind pearls that became the very islets we now see. Here, life flows gently, from the quiet rhythm of floating villages to the hidden caves like Song Sot and Tin Kung, where stalactites hang like frozen waterfalls. In Halong Bay, time slows. The breeze carries legends and every wave tells a tale. Halong Bay, not just a destination but a dream sculpted by nature and preserved by culture. Come, discover the dragon's breath with SkySquid, only in Vietnam.